Tournament that happened this weekend. The event had, well, I would think record number. Now the golf at BPGC is getting even better. More people are showing up below handicap 12, and a big round of applause to the quality of golf at BPGC, which is getting better. And Krishna Group, Mrs. Janvi Jagesia and Mr. Sandeep Jagesia, if you can please come up on stage and give away the first set of prizes, please. Congratulations, Tarun. Put your hands together for Arjun Nohar. Arjun wins a 3 votes, a black medal. Well done, Arjun. Arjun's normally number 1 seed. Thank you, man. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your support as well. If you can join me on stage, please. Thank you very much for your support.
I'd say I've grown more. Outstanding is the end result, and I think that'll only happen later, mostly later in my golfing career, I guess. But I mean, it's really been an honor playing golf here. I mean, black medal is just something to look forward every year. And yeah, I mean, I just like playing simple golf, fun golf, and it's always been a pleasure playing at BPGC, playing with such beautiful friends. I mean, all of you have just been so fun to be with, and let's have fun.
Tara, thank you so much. Thank you very much, sir. Tara, you're outstanding. Success is going to come to you very, very soon, and we love having you here. Yeah, John, that music is always in every event. So there's a best seniors category. I almost forget, he's a senior golfer now. But the winner of best senior golfer for the black medal, put your hands together for Parthiv Sangrachka. Yo, Partho. Congratulations, Parthiv. Well done. Thank you very much, ma'am and sir, for your support. So the overall net in the black medal 2025, having played outstanding golf in the gross category as well, the runner-up, shooting 6 and pro shop vouchers worth rupees 15,000. Put your hands together for Anish Bujle. Anish most certainly would qualify as one of the models who could be walking for you, Ken. Congratulations. And the winner of the betting, a fantastic score of 6 over par gross for 2 days. I was 100% sure he doesn't have black in his wardrobe. Like, I have been proven right. Harmeet wins pro shop vouchers and a 60-minute spa. Congratulations, partner. Mrs. Meeta Govande to join me, and somebody who is instrumental in making sure that this evening an event takes place. Can we have a big round of applause for the president of BPGC, Mr. Hari Narayan, if he can join me on stage, please. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Well, I'd like...
So wonderful to have you guys all here. Black is beautiful. Black is enigmatic, and black is just my favorite. Thank you very much for being here. What makes this event extra special this time, we are in our 3rd edition, but what makes it really special this time is we've got a bunch of lady pros, the finest in the country, who've actually taken the time out to come here, play 2 full rounds after playing 3 rounds of professional golf, braving this unprecedented heat in Bombay. 5 days, I'm corrected, 5 days. I can't tell you how much we appreciate that in BPGC. You've made this event so very special. Thank you very much for doing this. We absolutely love you guys. From me and from all of BPGC to our sponsors, Diners Club International, who've been doing it 3 times in a row. They are the title sponsors. They've been so good at this. We've got Sri Krishna Group. Members they are, but they always come up and support such wonderful events at the club. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, John. We really, really appreciate this. The Navneet Group, I remember making a call to John Wilcox and he didn't bat an eyelid before he said yes. Thank you, John. The IPI Group, we've been represented by Tarun Gogle. Thank you again. Jadu Education, Sanjay Bhai, thank you very much. Really means a lot. It is what you do that makes all the difference. Thank you. The Quant Mutual Fund, Meeta and Mahesh, very instrumental in getting them on board. Thank you very much, Meeta. Thank you very much, Mahesh. Yeah, and the Aditya Birla Sun Life, they've always been with us for years together. Of course, we are missing their MD today, Bala Subramaniam, a dear friend of mine. But yes, thank you so much, guys. How can I forget 4 seasons? Nitesh Gandhi, you're a game changer, man. Where are you? Can you put your hands up? Don't seem to... Salon, there he is. He's the reason why all these models and all of us look so good. Samir, love you, man. Thank you. Once again, thank you, guys. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much, Hari. Thank you very much. As Hari mentioned, it was an honor to have all our top lady professionals who played this event. They played 3 grueling rounds of golf at their pro tournament. They played a pro-am. I think the party of the pro-am can be categorized as one more round of golf because that went on for 5 hours. And then, of course, they braved the black tees for the black medal. And finishing up in runner-up space, she won a 3-wood at the Pro-Am. She used it wisely and hit the par 5s in 2, I believe, today. A big round of applause, winning a check of rupees 50,000 rupees. Put your hands together for Durga Nithur. Congratulations, Durga. You also win the prestigious black medal. We'll make sure the real check that you can deposit comes to you shortly. Winning this week, Mr. Gandhi, please make sure 4 seasons party that she's going to be throwing at. Vani, I can't let you go without asking you a question. You've been one of the weekend.
First of all, thank you BPGC, thank you Hari sir, and everyone at the Black Medal Tournament for having us girls over and giving us this platform to interact with all the lovely members. Playing of the blacks was lovely, it was a new challenge, and yes, I have been playing for a really long time and I'm very grateful that I'm still here. But along that, it was fun playing with Tara. She's such a excellent future prospect for women's golf in India. The future of women's golf definitely looks very bright. And once again, I would like to thank all the sponsors for making this event possible. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening.
Yes, yeah. Well done, Vani. Well done. Well played.
Playing from April.
Absolutely, sir. You must start. After the IPO, we'll make sure that at least you're a golfer and playing the black medal next year. Thank you, sir. Which is the big, glamorous black medal. But can I please request from the Diners Club International, Mr. Nidhi Drolia, who's Regional Vice President, if you can please join me on stage. And our ever glamorous and supporting golf captain of BPGC, Mr. Sanjeev Vaz, if you can also please join me on stage. Thank you very much. Mr. Fern, we've got a whole bunch of ramp models for you. Sanjeev. Bazi, would you like to say a few words, please?
Oh my God. I think all the sponsors have been covered. My God, you all are esteemed. You all are right up for us. You have given us a great evening. I can't say in this 3rd edition, it just gets bigger, it gets better. And hopefully on the next one, I think Mumbai is going to come together and make this even bigger. To the lady pros, my God, thank you. 5 days, seriously, in Bombay heat, thank you, my God. Y'all are really done well for us, and we want to have you all back again next year. I really want to thank my staff. I know it's not been done, but you know what? The event organizers, my green staff, my God, they've been stressed. I think, we put them under the gun. We gave them a mouthful over the last 2 weeks, but I think we did okay at the end of it. And just the members being around, let's just give back to this WGI society here. I'm telling you, this is worth every effort that we put in, and hopefully next year is going to be even bigger and better. Thank you.
Be the flagship event in the country, and I'm sure we can all make it happen. Thank you, Vazi. I would say his temperament is probably the best, better than a lot of the pros. Junior golfer, put your hands together for Yuvan Khubchandani. Well done, Yuvan. Congratulations. And you can make him wear the medal. Make him wear the medal, which is the champion black medal. And Sanjeev, you can present this beautiful black medal trophy to him. Ladies and gentlemen, that's your black medal trophy winner. Why don't you put a little walk ahead and make sure that the cameras get you. That's it. The main showstopper for tonight is Manav, you're not supposed to walk your little trip and stint in India, given that you're going to be going back home in a couple of days. I can do that for you.
Thank you for hosting this event. It was an honor to play, and the last couple of months that I've had here has been a pleasure. Had lots of fun, played lots of golf. It's been a great use of my time. So thank you for hosting.
Fantastic, Manav. Your words are fewer than your strokes on the golf course. That's probably the secret. Well done, Manav. Thank you so much. Big round of applause to the winner of the Black Medal 2025 with breakfast at the newly renovated rooms at the Four Seasons, Mumbai. So can we have our first winner, please? Please click my name.
Get in line. Ashish More. It's a nice stay at the Four Seasons.
Is Mr. More here? Mr. Family friend. All right. Okay, before I do the last 3 lucky draws, Nitin.
Matthew D'Souza. Matthew D'Souza. Prashant Divate.
Prashant Divate. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, the last 2 lucky draws of the evening.
Tapal.
Amol? Is Amol Tapal around here? My God, are you joking? Listen.
Congratulations again. Thank you.
Mr. Batliwala. Sir, can we get that room tonight? Yeah, for sure. Mr. Batliwala, check in at midnight tonight.
Let's that they have taken, and they have called all of us to celebrate. And I am very much grateful to be a part of this. So thank you so much for calling me here, and thank you so much Ken Ferns and Shakir sir for making me part of this beautiful evening. Thank you. जी आप honestly, whenever I step on stage, whenever I walk, I feel I am presenting myself, the person I am, and I think that is something that I live for. So I feel the most alive on stage. So I don't know how to explain this feeling. I feel wholesome, I feel happiest, I feel blessed. That is the feeling. Honestly, मेरी जर्नी में आज तक भगवान ने मुझे जो भी दिया है, whatever God has given me, I have taken that with my open arms. And now I'm looking forward for some good and very different acting projects. I want to step into this acting, this Bollywood world. So I am gearing up for that, and I'm putting my hard work to get there also, because I feel जब भी मैंने आज तक किसी भी चीज़ में अपना दिल और दिमाग डाला है, I've gotten that thing. So अब भी पूरी जान लगा देंगे, और I'll make sure that you guys will get a new surprise as soon as possible. So give me your blessings, I need that. जी जी सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच. अभी रिसेंटली मेरा ऐड आया था टेढ़े मेढ़े का. आई हैव रिसेंटली कोलैबोरेटेड विद देम, एंड थैंक यू सो 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 मच एवरीबॉडी फॉर गिविंग मी so much love and to the song, to the ad. And there are more couple of music videos that is on the way, and you guys will see me with all your favorite artists very soon. So keep guessing who that artist will be. So yeah, keep guessing and keep loving me, and I love you all. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you. Yeah. No? We're good? Done? Thank you. Definitely, please.
ब्लैक मेडल टूर्नामेंट ये 3rd सीज़न है हमारा इनके फैशन के साथ एसोसिएट होके, और हर साल एक कदम आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. एंड एज दिस ईयर दे हैव टेकन एन एफर्ट टू इनवाइट समबडी लाइक केन फर्न्स, व्हिच इज़ एग्जैक्टली कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन ऑफ गोल्फ एंड केन विद कलर. बट आई थिंक लोगों ने बहुत ही एंजॉय किया केन का जो अंदाज़ है कलर्स में, स्टाइल में, और
The
collection overall.
Yeah.
So I think it is a good combination to give dose of glamour and entertainment with Ken Ferns at the Black Medal.
मुझे बोलना है, मैं क्या बोलूँ? सर बोलेंगे.
I think fashion or glamour, golf is a gentleman's sport, and where there is gentleman, there has to be beauty. So what better than appreciating a beauty through a fashion show?
That's true.
So I think it is a good thought of getting fashion, glamour along with golf. It has always been going on. जैसे पोलो है, गोल्फ है, ये सारी एसोसिएशन फैशन से होता है. तो बीपीजीसी ने भी एफर्ट लिया है, और फैशन को 3rd सीज़न में वो इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं. प्रोजेक्ट्स तो बहुत सारे चल रहे हैं, अलग अलग हर जगह, ऑल ओवर. यस,
He is a busy person, I can't tell you. Like every day he has something. Or touch wood.
बहुत कुछ है. वर्किंग फॉर एन इंटरनेशनल शो विद केन फर्न्स. तो अभी हमारी उसकी तैयारी चालू है. होपफुली जल्दी आपको पता चलेगा. सामने देखिए सब लोग.
मेरा पेट नहीं दिख रहा है ना?
नहीं दिख रहा है. सर ले लो
ये रुके मक्खी.
Ken, you're too sweet, man.
आ जाओ. ले लो आ जाओ. यहाँ पे देखिए सर.
ब्लैक मेडल इवेंट है हमारा. ये हमारा सबसे एक्चुअली जो क्लब का सबसे बड़ा इवेंट है, ये हमारा वो इवेंट है जहाँ ये क्लब के और बॉम्बे के सबसे अच्छे गोल्फर्स जो हैं वो खेलते हैं. और ये मौके पे हमने, ये तीसरा ईयर है हमारा, और हमने कोलैबोरेट किया है केन फर्न्स जी के साथ. और मैं सच कह रहा हूँ कि हम ये तीसरी एडिशन में है, और हमने ये जैसी वाइब्रेंस है ये हमने पहले 2 एडिशंस में नहीं देखे. हमने जो देखा है आज, वो उनका, मेरे ख्याल से वो उनका स्पेशलिटी है. एक तरह का एक वाइब्रेंस जो नज़र आया केन फर्न्स का, वो हमने पहले कभी नहीं देखा है। एंड इट्स सो वंडरफुल। हम ये बोल नहीं सकते कि हम कितने खुश हैं कि दैट वी हैव डन दिस कोलैबोरेशन और ये इवेंट इतना सक्सेसफुल है। थैंक यू गाइस।
सर हमारे दर्शकों को तो बता सकते हैं कि टूर्नामेंट कितना दिन चला है?
ये दरअसल ये 2 दिन का टूर्नामेंट है, तो ये अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी ये बॉम्बे का वेदर भी ऐसा हो गया कि काफ़ी गर्मी हो गई, लेकिन ये हमारे जो प्लेयर हैं वो 2 दिन लगातार खेलते रहे एंड दे हैव कम अप विद सच लवली स्कोर्स। इतनी अच्छी गोल्फ देखने की हमें नसीब हुआ कि लवली है। आई मीन इसकी फिनिश भी जो है एकदम लास्ट, जैसे क्रिकेट में कैसे लास्ट बॉल, लास्ट ओवर, लास्ट बॉल में होता है, वैसे ये गोल्फ में आज का जो टूर्नामेंट है वो लास्ट होल, लास्ट शॉट में डिसाइड हुआ। तो आप लोग शायद उससे आप लोग रिलेट कर सकते हैं कि ये किस तरह का फिनिश हुआ होगा और किस तरह का ये टूर्नामेंट हुआ होगा। तो इंडीड अ वेरी वंडरफुल टूर्नामेंट।
अगर दर्शकों को बताते हैं कि इंडिया है, इंडिया के बाहर की लोग भी आए थे, कहाँ के लोग?
सो अभी जो हमारे विनर है वो हालांकि वो इंडियन है लेकिन रहते हैं कनाडा में, तो वो कनाडा से आए हैं, कनाडा से खेले, जीते, लेकिन इंडियन है। और हमें इससे ज़्यादा हमारी आई कैन नॉट बी मोर प्राउड कि हमारे इंडियन लोग आए और जीते। वेरी 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 मैटर ऑफ प्राइड फॉर अस।
सर इतना शानदार और अद्भुत ये इवेंट हुआ है, पूरा इवेंट आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। पूरा जो इवेंट कंप्लीट होने के बाद आपके शब्दों में बताएं कैसा लगता है?
सच बताऊं तो अब ये कह सकता हूं कि बॉस मैं थोड़ा सा जो है जो टेंशन है वो थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है, क्योंकि ये जब भी इवेंट होता है तो कहीं ना कहीं एक पीछे से एक ये डर रहता है कि सब इवेंट जो है सही तरीके से जाए, लेकिन जो गोल्फ है वो सही तरीके से गया। जो हमारा जो फैशन शो है वो एकदम बढ़िया गया और आप लोग सब आए, इतने लोग आए, इतने लोगों ने विटनेस किया। आई मीन इससे ज़्यादा हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि बस हम कितने खुश हैं कि बस दिस इवेंट वेंट ऑफ वेरी वेल।
भाई अगर बता सकें कि आगे आप लोग कुछ नया प्रोजेक्ट आप लेके आ रहे हैं, नया कुछ कर रहे हैं?
तो हम एक्चुअली ये जो है इस साल पहली बार हमने महिलाओं का जो टूर्नामेंट है प्रोफेशनल गोल्फ, उन लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया है और हम चाहते हैं कि महिलाओं को जो है वो थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंस मिले गोल्फ में। हर गोल्फ ही क्यों, हर स्पोर्ट में इनको जो है इम्पोर्टेंस मिले। इनको जो है इम्पोर्टेंस जितना हम दें उतना कम। तो वी आर ऑफ द माइंडसेट कि बॉस वी शुड ट्राई एंड सी हाउ वी कैन प्रमोट गोल्फ, विमेंस गोल्फ इन इंडिया, और टैलेंट को आगे बढ़ाएं और लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करें कि बॉस वो ये गेम को अडॉप्ट करें, खेलें एंड गो अहेड।
खेल की बात चल रही है, अभी इंडिया में चल रहा है, जीत लिया है और चैंपियन ट्रॉफी के लिए इंडिया को क्या विश करना है, क्या करना है?
ऑल द बेस्ट। अभी एक मैच बचा है ना शायद। बिल्कुल ऑब्वियसली हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनके साथ, और हम ये पूरी दिल से हम ये चाहते हैं कि इंडिया का नाम रोशन करें, और हम वी आर वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि इंडिया विल ब्रिंग द चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी। थैंक यू। थैंक यू। आपने ये पूरा कवर्ड है, अभी ये जब खोल दोगे ना